Hi, I'm Jane. I love to garden. I'm in my backyard and I'm going to give you the first update on this experiment with rose cuttings. So we're going to open these up and see. And what do you do with rose cuttings at this point? So in this video, I'm going to show you the steps that I take to check on my rose cuttings to see if they're working. I go in about every 2 weeks to a month, open it up, look for dead debris. If I see any black on the stem at all, then I know it's dead. If I see any of the leaves that have fallen off and are causing black mold or fungus in the container, that's going to cause everything to die. I take that out. So one improvement I'm going to be doing from now on is fungicide. Okay, so this is my peach rose, 9/27, 23rd. We're going to open that one up. And then this one's also done 9/30. Year 2-3 is what I meant to say. A dark pink. Let's open these up. And then I also have all of these done within pretty much the same time. 9/30, 9/30, 9/27. What does this one say? 9/30. So let's see what we got here. Okay, I just opened this one. Let's look inside. So we have quite a bit of rot and mold, but one that looks pretty good. Let's pull this one out. Is this one going to make it? I'm not sure. I think I'm going to hold on to that one though. That one looks like it's going to work. These ones are all gone. This one is a dark pink, 9/30, so it was 2 days, a couple days later, 3 days later. These ones are looking pretty good actually. All right, let's see. I am not seeing any root. So what I do at this stage is I assess what's going on. So let's see, I pulled out anything dead or brown. You want to get it out of there so it doesn't rot the rest of your cuttings. These ones are not dead yet. They're still pretty green. I don't know if they'll make it. So this is the dark pink one. Let's see. We lost one. And everything else looks like it's still going. I don't see roots on any of them yet. But if they're not totally black, there's still life in them. Any of this brown stuff you want to get out of there. So now I will start to put these back in here and put the lid back on and get them back in the house. So from the dark pink, 5 out of 6 worked. They're not dead yet. Out of the peach, 1 out of 6 worked. Same method, almost the same day. Only difference between the two is this one is a top. I meant 2 bottoms together. This one is a full one taped in the middle. All right, let's get to these ones. This one is an orange and yellow. I'll show you a picture on the screen. I've had success with this one rooting. So let's see what we've got here. So come all the way in here. Anything that's dead on there, like the leaves, we want to get all that out. See how much callus we have on that one? Oh, that's a good sign. So I'm going to pull that one out right now. This looks like it's going to work. This is a good cutting. And what's funny is it came all the way through. So even though I've lost all of the leaves on top, because of this callus down here, I'm going to probably push roots. I'm actually going to put it back in there. So 1, this is a bad sign. If you see black all the way down the stem, it's gone. This is a bad sign. So 2 out of that many already gone. Let's look at this one. Black all the way through. This one. This one is still looking pretty good to me. I don't see black. I see it pushing a little bit of growth. I'm going to hold on to those 2. This one's still a good sign. It is very short. It's a short little cutting. And then one more. I'm getting a little bit of black on the top, but it's still green. So I have 4 out of the 6. I have 4 out of the 6 that worked on 9:30. I just opened this one. It looks like I have 2 out of the 6, so that one didn't do very well. Same variety. I just opened another peach one. I've got 1, 2, 3, it looks like, in here that are going to work. Anything that's got black on it is gone. This one, let me pick it up careful. That one looks like I might have a peach one. Wouldn't that be cool? Out of 2 peach, I only have 3 out. Let's see if I can open that a little better. 3 out of 12 that worked. Okay, I have 3 more to check. This one's pink, 9:27, 9:30, and this one is a pink and white red striped one, 9:30. I just opened these. Let's see what we got here. So what I'm going to do is take out any dead, and I'm going to take out any rotting leaves. So this one looks good. We got 1. Oh my gosh, right in the center of it all. Oh, look, that is the prettiest rose cutting I have so far. And because they're in the root right cubes, I can't tell if it's rooting, but look at how pretty it still is. There's 2. We'll go through this fast. That one's a goner. But this is dead and this is dead. I'm going to hold on to it, but I don't know if that one's going to make it. Gone. And we got 1 more that looks good. Oh, black. Look at this. I think what it's going to do on these 2 is it's starting to be black, but it might push the rest of it black. So I'm not quite sure what to do with these 2. Dead, see all that dead material? We don't want to hold on to that. See this? This one's totally dead, and the one right next to it is kind of pushing some black, darn it. But this is a total goner. You see this? You're not dead yet. And the rest of those are dead. Out of the pink, we have a total of 3 that look amazing, and 3 that could go either way. These 3 could go either way. So 6 out of 12, that's still 50%. Okay, this one is my last one of this batch for this video. So I think what I'm going to do next time is I'm going to put fungicide. I think that'll save quite a bit of my cuttings. All right, let's look inside this. Josh, look inside this. Dump them upside down. Try to not kill any of these. Oh my gosh. Some of them have calluses on them. Okay, so this one looks like it's starting to go black on it. So I don't know if that's going to make it. Look at this one right here. It's a pushing growth, which is a good sign, but if you don't have roots, it doesn't mean anything. Or I'll take the growth off. Do you see that cutting? That doesn't look too bad. Do we have calluses at all around it? Okay, 2. This one's not dead yet. We got 3. This one did the best, I think. That's a long cutting. I think I need to get some fungicide. I think that'll really help me with my success rate. Look at those thorns. Poor babe. Holy crap. And then
more roses.
1 more. More roses to break all your stuff.
Yes. Gonna pop more of them basketballs.
Okay, so out of, let's see, I did more than 6 on this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think I had 12 in there. That's a pretty good amount. Do you see all those? So I've had some success. No roots yet, so keep updated. Bye. I hope you enjoyed this video. Keep following along as I have more updates, and as I learn more about rose cuttings, you can learn along with me. Any comments, go ahead and put them in the comment section about how you do rose cuttings and how you've had success, because we're all learning and I would love to learn more. Bye.